Okay, in this video I'm going to show you just a few of the things that you can do using a program called GeoGebra. Now, if you've never used this before, you can download it for free from this site, www.geogebra.org/cms. And as the name suggests, it's very good for demonstrating both things in geometry and algebra. Today I'm going to focus on using it to draw some graphs. But first, some of the basics. Because I'm going to draw some graphs, what I want to do is to go to the View tab, turn on the axes, turn on the grid. There you have it. Now, these buttons here are the main thing that you'll be using. And do you notice the little triangles turn red as I hover over them? What that does, if I click on that, it brings down a drop-down menu, so there are all the functions that I can choose from this button. The main ones that I use are the points and segment. So I'll go down and change this one from, currently it's on line, I'm going to change it to segment. So now it's on segment. You'll see over here it gives you a description of what it does. If I put 2 points there, it puts a line segment between them. Click on this one. This will just put a new point on my page. So they're very commonly used in GeoGebra. Now, if I want to move those around, every time you want to move something, you have to go back to this, click on move. Now I could move that point there, I could move this point, and that will move the line as well. Another very important button is this one here, the undo button. So if you've done something that you weren't meant to, click on that and it will undo. If I keep going back, it will start to delete those buttons. Another way to quickly delete things is just to left mouse click, highlight everything you don't want there, and press delete. And that's gone. Another important button here is this one, the move drawing pad. You'll see my axes are over here to the left, but I want them in the middle, so if I just click, I can drag that across. Now, to draw some graphs. To do that, go down here to the input box, click in there and just enter the equation that you want. So this is really good to just quickly show students what a line looks like. There's y equals 2x plus 1. You can also draw other lines and compare the similarities and differences. So here you could say they both go through 1. This one has a positive slope, this one has a negative slope. You'll notice though you might be confused as to which one is which. If I go back to my move tool, you can fix that up by just right-clicking on one of them. Notice it goes bold as I hover my mouse over that. When it goes bold, you can click on it, go down to the properties here, and you'll see it's got the actual name of the equation here. So to display that on the page, it's under value there. If I go to show label, change this to say value. Now when I go back, there's the name of it there. That can be moved around as well for your convenience. Another thing that you can do to help you easily identify which line is which is to again right click, go to properties, and this time go into color, and so you can change the color of it to be whatever you like. And there you have it. Now y equals 2x plus 1, that's the red equation and the red line. Curves can also be easily drawn. If I want to do a basic parabola, y equals x squared, put in the y equals x. To get the squared, I go over here. Now this is I guess it's a drop up box. So squared is there, cubed, square root, cube root, as well as many other things. So I just want y equals x squared, press enter, and there it is. So there's just a few things that you can do in GeoGebra, and next time I'll look at a specific activity which uses both GeoGebra and notebook software.